Hey everybody, my name is Jonathan Speagle, the Dream Maker, brokered by eXp Realty, and I'm on the team called the Home Squad. I'm here at my brand new listing at 6412 Quarter Horse Lane in Orlando, Florida. Let's go check it out. This is my daughter. I didn't find this baby, nor is it someone else's. I had a human baby with my wife. Hidden away in northern Orlando rests a neat wooded cottage. This home has been meticulously updated to complement the already unique characteristics of the house. Entering through the front door, you'll find the original hardwood flooring restored to its natural 1920s beauty. A large extra bedroom on the left creates a perfect place for space and privacy. Details such as the light switches are the same, the electrical outlets are all matching, and all of the light fixtures in the top and ceiling fans. This was all thought about whenever they were refreshing this property. The kitchen has been completely redone with all new appliances, updated cabinets, and a wonderful handcrafted backsplash. The main bedroom has an enormous walk-in closet just waiting to be personalized. The third bedroom is just across the hall, reflecting the same lighting and ceiling fans throughout the entire home. There's even a bonus room next to a half bath and a full laundry room. Outside, you'll find mature landscaping that has been amazingly trimmed to make sure it better frames the property lines and natural landscaping with all the lush foliage. With a wonderful outside patio, a screened-in porch, brand new sliding screen doors, and the entire front yard reseeded, it's very easy to find your own piece of paradise. There's even a full workshop shed, fire pit, and chicken coop behind the house. Come see for yourself why this is another hidden gem. Hey everybody, thank you so much for checking out my new listing. They did a wonderful job updating this, and you can really tell that they cared for the home as they fixed it up. So come check it out. It's in northern Orlando. Feel free to give me a call. My name is Jonathan Speagle, the Dream Maker, brokered by eXp Realty and the Home Squad. We'll see y'all next time. What do you think, chickpea? Yeah, on to the next listing. See ya.